Alright, so I've been hard at work here. There's the wrench I was using. Crazy ass 76 and there's my filling job. That foam seems to be pretty good. If it was squirting out of those little holes, I'd just scoop quite a bit of it away. But just waiting for that to dry, and then I'll sand that off. But while I was waiting for that to dry, I finished the garbage bin, more or less. So this is what you do. You open her up like this, and it'll have a stop there on the side. It'll stop right there. And then you'll lift up the lid like that. Put all your garbage in. Right? And you'll close the lid and close it like that. So I can't imagine it getting much better than that. So here we go. Another days of effort. Taped and sanded a bunch of stuff. And ran out of paint, so that was kind of shitty. But there's the finished job of that. That's a shelf that goes in the back. And I'll show you the inside of this here. Refrigerator compartment. Now that's pretty sweet, I would say. All ready to go. Here's the top side of it. And that's still to go. Fun and games. So, yeah, got too much paint on myself. Jacket's just covered. Got tape on my shoes. All the good stuff. Sure wish I could have finished that, but would have been tired. But looking pretty sweet, I'd say. Refrigerator door right there. Alright, this is our weekly update, everyone. Managed to buy a can of paint, some rollers, and that particular thing, the garbage box, is looking very fine, as well as the back of that cupboard. I would say that paint has turned out significantly well. And there's a shelf and lid sitting here. And have a quick look inside there. Not so bad, I would say. And up top here is pretty sweet. Down there. Nice. Very, very nice. And that's, as they say, is that. Getting a little rank in here, the smell. So I'm leaving. Bye-bye. Here we go. Another installment of Have That Fun. I don't know. Looking alright, I guess. Got the shelf in the back there. See that nice little shelf? Shelves are good. Got these all painted up. Got that painted up. Got that painted up. Should be able to unpeel. Worked on the tranny. Still needs more work though. Bye bye. Alright, got another little project done. This is the map holder. Back there's the shelf. For electrical, can't really see electrical back there, but that's where it is. So this all painted, obviously. Lift this up, and you got your lids for your refrigerators. Don't have my stick, so show you more later. So here's a final finished product. In some sense, still got take all that plastic off and everything, but this is complete. This is a garbage container now. So here we go. Open that one, and seems to be quite a bit of room in there. Pump systems all rebuilt. Plumbing, not this time, but yeah. So then we get the garbage container, so we just open that, and it falls open to that position on that little strap right there. And then we go down here and we open that up, and lo and behold, we have a garbage container. So close that, push that up like that, and see, it's locked. Close that. It's a thing of beauty. Look at that. Okay, so this is what's going on with the refrigerator situation. Got the door all cleaned up, taped off, just taping around the outside edge, which is going to be metal, made of this stuff here that I had to fabricate. Nice paint job, by the way, isn't it? Spray paint from a can. Beautiful. And this is more or less all done. Tape's all peeled away, and another added to do those pieces of wood there with C-tall both sides. So that's kind of going. And I'm going to glue some metal onto these two pieces because I only got 4 clamps. And got some painting over there to do. And so there you go. Actually, I'll show you some of the metal trim that's complete there for the door to seal on. I still have to do those 2 pieces. And should be a pretty nice little refrigerator compartment, I would say. So there's that. There's some trim. Beautiful, eh? Panel assembled.